as a common man, we do a lot of mistakes because that financial knowledge has not been taught to us.
The more energy you have, more money you will make. Yeah, simple philosophy. Automatically जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं होता. It's a very easy to lose money. Protection of money is more important than making money.
Do you think creators can become coaches?
Everybody can become a coach. So all of you, coaching is what? Coaching is not sharing your experiences. Money is not in money. Money is in time. If they learn, they can become the brilliant resource for the country.
Is there anything quickly you want to share to them? Now, Sandeep bhai, the first thing is tell a little about your journey from banker to coach.
So a little bit about myself. My name is Dr. Sandeep Gupta. I'm a wealth accelerator coach. I have been in the banking and financial industry approximately for 15 years. I moved on and started my own venture called Wealth Accelerator Hub. In last 5.5 years, we scaled our business to approximately $1.5 million per year. I became India's fastest growing wealth coach, took retirement, keep traveling across globe. So I'm living my purpose to travel. This year only I have covered more than 12 countries.
12 countries in this
year.
year.
Yeah.
When do you teach?
So I teach on go.
That's the beauty. He teaches on the go. In fact, like last week, we had a session, right, where I was going for Sandeep Bhai's community. And there are a lot of people from his community here. And I said, can we do the session? He said, yes. And he was attending some other event.
Me and Priyanka was another event on this last ProfitCon weekend.
So at that moment also, you still took time to be in that session. So what is that thing that drives you to do that? Because most of us feel that, you know what, I'm already occupied in something, and we block our mind. But irrespective of where you are, you still do that. How?
So it's my intention that I put a lot of intentions into the processes, into whatever we do. So मेरी नीयत एकदम साफ रहती है. It does not matter that I am in my room, in other people's room, or in car, or balcony, or maybe then launch. I'll be keep showing my face because people don't need that you should be sitting along with you or me, right? They need that person is available for you or not. If you make yourself available for the people don't need you. So that's the psychology I have. So when I show my face for 30 seconds, 1 minute, those people feel, yaar, haan, banda hai hamare saath mein. That's all. Every session you will find me, I have more than 3 to 5 sessions per week. Every time I show my face, maybe that 5 minutes, 30 seconds, it does not matter. Even I'm on plane or launch or maybe this summit or anywhere. So it's my intention that I keep putting that, keep my people feel so that yaar, mere saath mein koi hai. People need your assurance.
Wow. How many feel that's inspiring, right? They just need your presence. It is not required that you be there for the entire thing. He has built such a system that where there are people to take care of it. But yes, he'll first show his presence, acknowledge that yes, I'm here. Amazing. Now, since we are going to talk about money, okay, we as a common man, we do a lot of mistakes because that financial knowledge has not been taught to us. So what are some of the tips that we all can follow so that we can grow our wealth?
Couple of rules which I follow personally and my whole family, me and my wife and my kids are also following the same strategy. I will be keep saving 10%, minimum 10% of money whatever I make. It does not matter if I don't have a money, I will not eat one-time food or I will not have a cup of coffee, but I will save it. Everything requires commitment in life. Automatically जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं होता. So I want to put the intention. So from 2007, since I got my first job, I was making 7,500 rupees. I started on the same day, 1,500 rupees I started saving. Then I moved to the bank called Max New York Life. I used to work on that time. Then I started working with a company called SBI Cards. I started making 15,000 rupees. I started saving 3,000 rupees. Then I moved to the beautiful city called Hyderabad. I used to work with the Gachibowli ICICI Bank. I was making 25,000 rupees. I started saving 4,000 rupees per month. I moved to the company called ING Vaishya Bank. If some of you know. It is near MG Road. Started working with the Kotak Mahindra Bank, making 45,000 rupees. I started saving only 5,000 rupees. Then I moved to a company called Standard Chartered Bank. I started making 75,000 rupees. I started saving only 8,000 rupees. At the age of 35, I took retirement.
At the age of 35, retired. So I was attending one of his sessions where he told about investing and he quickly took out the records and said, you were showing the records from 2000 8 or 10, if I'm not wrong, the record of
2001 I have till now I have a record that somebody was asking me 50 पैसे की जो माचिस का बॉक्स होता है ना वो भी मैं लिखता था कि पेपर में भी आज मैंने 50 पैसे खर्चा किए मैच बॉक्स खरीदने के लिए. So first thing start saving at least 10%. If you can't start 10%, start with 7%, 5%, 100 rupees, 500 rupees, because the दुनिया में सबसे आसान काम है शुरू करना और दुनिया में सबसे आसान काम है क्विट करना. But being in the game is the toughest journey, right? तो just start with the small, maybe 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. Commit yourself that I am going to be saving. That's the first thing. Second thing, never invest in such kind of product or services which you do not understand. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि real estate क्या होता है, stock market क्या होता है, mutual fund क्या होता है, cryptocurrency क्या होता है, do not put that amount of money. Keep into the saving account because it's a very easy to lose money. Because of the impulsive buying कि यार ये मैं करोड़पति बन जाऊंगा. अभी right now gold prices are 1.25 lakh rupees per 10 gram. So people keep भागते रहते हैं. Don't have some fundamentals corrections in your life and keep following your rules. Whatever market is right, don't deny them, acknowledge them and keep it aside. अगर आपकी philosophy के साथ में वो चीज़ नहीं मैच कर रही ना, don't invest there. So 2 rules हम बनाते हैं. पहले पैसे को बनाना है, सेव करना है, then protect that money because protection of money is more important than making money.
Protection of money is more important. He has been maintaining that discipline from almost 25 years. It's not a very difficult one. It's a simple sheet that you maintain, but that's a habit, right? That's amazing. Now, coming on the point that you said, right? We see a lot of content where some people say, okay, you know what, you should not be spending money on your lifestyle and other things. You just need to keep investing. What should somebody follow?
So, देखो, a lot of people are right now social influencer. I'm not a social influencer, I'm an educator. Social influencer अपना कंटेंट बेच रहे हैं, बट आर यू रेडी टू बाय? You have your own family. I will also sell couple of products to you. I will also sell my content. So I am in the business of selling the content. Are you in the business of buying that product or not? So अपने दिमाग लगाओ कि अगर आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए है, some people, if I am a stock market influencer, I will only speak about the stock market. If I am trying to invest in the maybe that real estate or gold, तो मैं वही promote करूँगा ना, because only that thing I know. But you as an individual as a whole, पूरा आप you have a, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, पूरी वेज थाली हो अपना, तो आपको समोसा भी चाहिए, दाल चाहिए, चावल चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए ना. तो think about it, if I have 100 rupees, how I can diversify my risk? 10% in gold, 5% in silver, 20% in real estate, 20% in mutual fund, 30% in stock market, maybe that 15-20% maybe that debt bonds or debentures or FD and RD. अपना खुद का portfolio बनाओ ना. If you keep thinking यार 15% मिल रहा है, 20% मिल रहा है, then you are on the mercy of influencers. आज बढ़िया दिन चल रहा है स्टॉक मार्केट के, तो लोग स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में बात करेंगे. कल रियल एस्टेट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो रियल एस्टेट. बट यू आर गोइंग टू बी लीडिंग दैट जर्नी फॉर 40 years. तो यू नीड टू मेक योर ओन पोर्टफोलियो. सबकी सुनो, लेकिन आपके पास में एक एडवाइजर रहना चाहिए. आपके पास एजुकेट करो. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू मेक इंडिया वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फाइनेंशियली एजुकेटेड कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड. या एंड टू सपोर्ट दैट वन यू नीड टू लर्न अबाउट इट, हाउ यू कैन मैनेज योर मनी. क्योंकि सब लोग आपको पैसा बनाना सिखाएंगे, बट जब पैसा आपके पास आ जाएगा तो वेरी फ्यू पीपल आर देयर हु कैन हेल्प यू, हाउ यू कैन इन्वेस्ट, हाउ यू कैन मैनेज, प्रोटेक्ट, ग्रोथ, राइट. आपकी जर्नी हमेशा सही नहीं रहने वाली है. मे बी दैट टुडे वी आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, टुमारो समथिंग कैन हैपन, वी डोंट मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. सो हाउ वी विल बी एबल टू फाइट दैट सिचुएशन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ये सबकी बातें सुनो, लेकिन अपना एक फार्मूला बनाओ और उस फार्मूले पर 40 साल तक स्टिक रहो. मनी इज नॉट इन मनी, मनी इज इन टाइम. दैट्स कॉल्ड वेल्थ. तो आप जिंदगी में टाइम से वेल्दी बनोगे. Time, the more time you invest, I was just listening to Prayanka and Manjunath, he was also saying that यार कि 3 महीने में आपको क्विक नहीं मिलेगा, right? 3 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल. What we have become, he has been teaching yoga, meditation since last 20-25 years. He has been training people up since last 10 years. So जब ये 10 साल, 15 साल के बाद में वहाँ पर पहुँचे, you can't reach in a single day, right? So वो जो आपका देख रहा था, मैं 10-12 आपने दिए थे, 3 टिप्स बन जाएं, वेल्दी बन जाएं, 3 चीज़ें, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. But what is your core value? Then you define it and then you imbibe it. That's my invitation, because आप दूसरों के अगर इन्फ्लुएंस में पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको भी पता है कि आप क्या करने वाले हो, right? Because another influencer is going to come tomorrow.
So this is more important. Why? Because as he rightly said, the most of the content that we see on social platform are created in such a way that which gets more reach. But whether it is appropriate for you or not, you will not understand unless you personally consult somebody who is in that industry who can tell you what is best for you, right? You have been known as Hammer Man.
No man, you can't call me right now. I'm a very soft gentleman.
Yeah, of course, I truly appreciate that. Understand that in last 2 years, you have become a lot more toned, I would say. Okay, but still, why are you called as hammer man?
Understand one thing, people will not take action until unless either you need to show them the carrot के साथ में चाबुक चलाते रहो कि अगर उनको carrot से इतना मजा आ रहा होता तो उन्होंने कर लिया होता. Your father has been saying to you save 10%, 5%, you haven't sent more on. Now you paid me money, same the piggy bank, I'm asking you to put 5 rupees. So fundamentally that if I will not push you, then who will push? Your father and mother are not eligible to push you. Your son and daughter cannot say कि बाप पैसे बचा ले. Your wife can't say anything to you. Who has remained right now in the industry? Understand, my job is to make you wealthy. If you want to be nice, कि यार चलो देखो एक बात तो पता है आपको भी, because you will make money only by 2 ways. Either you are internally motivated or externally forced. Internally motivated अगर आप होते तो आपने कर लिया होता, तो वो तो ऑप्शन आपके पास खत्म हो गया. Like we guys are the internally motivated. Nobody guided me, taught me, जो मिला निकल लिए. Now you need an external push. Either you break through or you break down. You don't be mediocre. This is my thought. Let's consider if I don't push you, your whole family will remain middle class for next 100 years. So I am not working that you will feel good about me or Sandeep Gupta. Yaar, no, I don't speak the flowery language. Whatever my intention is right now, boss, read it, learn it, implement it, grow it. Even 10 rupees you are making per day, I am perfectly okay. Because you are progress कर रहे हो ना. कल आज 10 रुपए बना रहे हो, कल 20 रुपए बनाओगे, कल 50 रुपए बनाओगे. That's why. And that's why the power of compounding kicks in. Because एक action आप कभी ले ही नहीं सकते हो. You keep taking the series of section. टक 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 टक. You don't stick one thing. You say to me, पहले आप free webinar लेते थे, फिर paid लिया, फिर diamond को launch किया, अभी 2 साल से आप ये कर रहे हो, content create कर रहे हो. You have been taking a series of action. People need momentum. If you help them to get that momentum, अपने आप human beings are the giant. They can do anything for their dreams and whatever capacity they have. खाली उनको आप एक बोलते हैं ना escape velocity के ऊपर लेकर जाओ, अपने आप करेंगे ना. हम लोगों को कोई गाइड कर रहा है क्या? बस एक बार उनको डायरेक्शन दो, and your direction is more important than speed you have. तो एक बार उनको escape velocity के ऊपर लेकर के जाओ, अपने आप लोग काम करते हैं.
Wow, that's amazing. Now, since you mentioned this, there are a lot of people who are creators, and I feel they can also become coaches. Do you think creators can become coaches?
Everybody can become a coach. My wife can become a coach, ladies and gentlemen. So all of you, coaching is what? Coaching is not sharing your experiences. I know physics, I will teach physics. You are a chemistry man, you will speak the chemistry about, right? So anybody can become coach. Only question is you need to refine that language, the putting the question across, bringing the best out of it. तो सब लोग कोच बन सकते हैं. क्रिएटर का काम क्या है? क्रिएटर क्या है? क्रिएटर इज मेकिंग पीपल अवेयर अबाउट देयर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज. तो सेम चीज, तो क्रिएटर इज इन द बिजनेस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन डिसेमिनेशन. वो इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. जब बंदा इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगा तो फिर एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा. तो एक्शन के लिए आप कोचिंग दे दो. कोचेस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बिकम क्रिएटर. It's very difficult. You will see my Instagram, not more than 20,000 people. YouTube ऐसे लटकता रहता है. Facebook में जो दो कुछ नहीं. I am not an influencer, but all the influencers can become the coaches. But problem is that the ego बहुत ज़्यादा है कि मैं बेच पाऊँगा कि नहीं बेच पाऊँगा, marketing आती है कि नहीं, right hook है कि नहीं, sales कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं. If they learn, they can become the brilliant resource for the country.
Thank you, Sandeep bhai, for sharing that. Is there anything quickly you want to share to them?
काम करो यार, और क्या है?
काम करो यार, और क्या है, right? So with that, we'll be ending this session. And again, thank you, Sandeep bhai, for sharing your wisdom to everyone.